biotechnology, technological exploitation of living organisms, plants, animals, and microbes to obtain desired product for the welfare of human being. So this is a very simple. You must remember. You must memorize this definition. This is a very simple definition. Now look at the various branches of biotechnology. The biotechnology have various branches. The number one, animal biotechnology. Number two, plant biotechnology, environmental biotechnology, medical biotechnology, marine biotechnology, industrial biotechnology, bioinformatics, and microbial biotechnology. These are the major areas of the biotechnology. And these are the major areas or branches of the biotechnology. But you have not, but you have to study in your BSc Biotech partner these three branches. The first branch you have to study animal biotechnology, you have to study plant biotechnology, you have to study environmental biotechnology. Okay, so these are the three branches of the major branches of biotechnology which have been included in your syllabus. This animal biotechnology, plant biotech, and environmental biotechnology. The paper fifth has environmental biotechnology, the paper 6 plant biotech, and the paper 7th environmental biotechnology. Now this animal biotechnology is very important, and this animal biotechnology has two major areas. The first one is the animal cell biotech. Animal cell biotech. I will teach you the animal cell biotech. The second branch of animal biotech include the animal cell culture, which will be taught by the Sajja. Sajja will teach you animal cell culture. I will teach you animal cell biotechnology. Now look here. The second branch, which is the plant biotechnology, which has a lot of contribution in the field of agriculture. It has resulted in the product. It has been very helpful in producing the improved varieties of the crop. Herbicide. It has also been used in the production of herbicide resistant, stress resistant, tolerant plants, improved varieties of plant, improved varieties of the crop plant, productivity of plants have been increased, and there are so many applications of the plant biotechnology. So this plant biotechnology is very important. It also includes plant tissue culture. You have to study plant tissue culture and plant cell biotechnology. That environmental biotechnology is also very important. This environmental biotechnology is also very important because it has various contribution in the field of the treatment of the industrial waste, biomining, enrichment of the ore, production of the biofertilizer, conservation. There are so many applications. Mute for audio. Medical. Mute your video. Mute your audio. Mute your audio. Now look. The next branch is the agricultural biotechnology. Agricultural biotechnology is a part of the plant biotechnology, and it is also very important. This agricultural biotechnology, in this branch of biotechnology, the various methods or application of biotechnological process to produce the improved varieties of crop plants have been is studied. Medical biotechnology. This is also very important. Medical biotechnology. There are so many diseases in the human beings which are genetic in nature, and this medical biotechnology is very important as far their use in the gene therapy is concerned. Gene therapy is concerned. Animal stem cell biotechnology, embryo transfer technology, assisted reproductive biology. So these are the areas of the medical biotechnology. Assisted reproduction, human reproduction, artificial insemination, embryo transfer, all the gene therapy, all these areas are included in the medical biotechnology, production of the diagnostic kits, marine biotechnology. This is also very important, and there is a facility of providing doing MSc in marine biotechnology, this course is provided by university in the Mumbai. Now this is the industrial biotechnology. This application of biotechnology in the industrial processes for the production of a number of compounds Now bioinformatics, which is very important. In case of bioinformatics, molecular drug designing is studied. Molecular drug designing is studied in case of bioinformatics. This is also a very important branch. Microbial biotechnology is used in the dairy and the food industry, food technology. This microbiological biotechnology is used in case of food productions, dairy technology. So these are the major areas of the biotechnology which are very important. But you have to study only the animal biotech, plant biotech, and environmental biotech. The rest branches like agriculture, medical, marine, and all these branches are not to be studied in BSc Biotech pattern. You have to study the upper three: animal, plant, and environmental biotechnology. Am I clear? Am I clear to all of you?